Hello guys, so this is Doc Franklin once again. So I am here now for the another customer, and this is Jetta 2.5 2000. Ayan. So
I'm gonna sleep in there.
here, come here with daddy.
What?
See, I have a new customer today in the name of Ella. See, easy. You need to open this one up first, like that. Then simply remove this one like that. See, so you no need to remove the top, so more easy. See, more easy. Like that. So no need to remove the like that. So much easy, guys. See, so no need to remove that one. So you pull out easy. Then using also hello, Ate Ella.
Hi.
So you are my helper today.
Okay.
You are my helper today? Oh. You like mechanic job?
No.
Why?
Um,
You don't like daddy? So
I like that.
you now open spark plug using 5/8 wrench, deep socket for or spark plug wrench. So you're gonna replace this one. So you're gonna do that one by one. So before you're gonna put any spark plugs, you need to measure that one. But I am sure because this is the right. So this is the right parts. Like that. Then you're gonna go other one. Open this one. Yes. So
I'm just watching you.
really? So this one. So another one. So my tips. So be careful that no other particles gonna go inside the engine. So be careful that one. So you need to be very careful. And always hand tight first. Make sure that the thread will be fit properly before you're gonna tight the spark plugs. So to make sure that it won't damage the thread going to the cylinder head. So see,
Ta-da.
What?
You need gloves because your hands are dirty.
I know, but it's okay. This is not too much dirty job, so don't worry, my baby. So as you can see, guys, so I have my daughter. So she wants also to learn mechanic job with his daddy, right?
And also my sister Julie.
And also sister Julian. She likes also mechanic job. See? See? It's like that. So how easy this job? So I'm gonna show you this guy. I'm gonna show this one to the people because so that you don't want to spend more money on dealership. So you can do this one on your own. See? It's almost done. So it's really easy. It's really easy.
You know, it's not letting me to go to the fancy park yet.
Not yet.
No.
Don't worry. I will come with you.
Yay.
But not raining today?
Huh?
Not raining today?
No, it's not raining. It's sunny now.
It's sunny now?
Yeah, I think it's not raining now.
Really?
Yeah, Mama said it's not raining.
It's not raining?
No,
Okay.
I got red nail polish because look at red.
All right.
Julian was crying because you left Julian.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I had one customers on this unit, on these townhouses. One of our neighbor. So
But Julian
He
was
called
crying.
me.
Julian was crying a lot of times.
really?
Yeah, she was crying now.
Mm-hmm.
And the one you was going there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she cried?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
Because
I didn't.
why did you didn't kiss her yet?
Oh yeah. No worries.
But I
will
miss
pay.
Mama.
You miss your mama?
Yeah.
You didn't. Yeah, no problem. We're gonna call later.
She's coming here later tonight.
She's coming, yeah. Or we can call later,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I can call it her and Mommy's phone or my phone or your phone.
Okay. Okay, so that's all done. So before you're gonna finalize the job, so you need to torque. You need to this just only torque 25 foot-pounds. So if you have torque wrench in your home, so this is just only 25. So okay, so now it's almost done the job. Just only 30 minutes job. So you're gonna put like that. Gonna put like
That
that.
was just quick.
That's so quick, right?
Yeah.
So quick. So you're gonna press like that. Then this one like this.
Yeah, a lot of boxes
Then
here.
this one here. Then this one here. Then this one here. Like that. See? That's it. Done.
Done?
It's all done.
That was quick.
That's so quick, right?
And that was a little bit more quick. After we're going to the fancy park.
Oh yeah.
I wish I can have a kitty on my birthday or a goldfish.
I'm gonna lock this one back. I'm gonna put this one back, so I'm gonna
That was quick.
that's so quick, right?
Yeah, and Julian was like, da 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 da. Julian was laughing, and she was screaming because she wanted daddy.
Really?
She was saying, ah, da 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 here. After if you're hungry, you're gonna eat your food. Are you busog?
I'm busog. I'm busog.
Already?
I'm busog already.
Busog.
Yes, sir.
You have to change your clothes. I mean, you have to take off that later.
So it's all done.
Wow.
Wow.
Good.
So before you're gonna remove all this one here, you're gonna remove all this one.
It's all there.
This is all done. This is all done.
Yeah, you're gonna clean up that mess.
Yes. So I'm gonna show you how to put it back. This one. Like this. See? This one here. We're gonna put like this.
Under there, Dada.
No problem. My baby. I'm gonna put this one here. Like that. Then, see?
I wish I can be, Dada, I wish I can be a dentist.
Dentist?
Yeah. When I grow up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good. You want a dentist?
I
So
want to be a
then-
dentist.
Really? So yan. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, so please do shares, like, and
Subscribe.
subscribe.